What's going on, guys? Back in the ZUMA Guide Garage. Thanks for watching. If you haven't watched other videos, you don't know that I just picked up my first pre-bug. I'm very excited. Actually, it's in pieces. You can actually see it. It's over there. I picked up a frame, but with that being said, I started buying some parts. In this video, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing an unboxing because I've been looking for this information and I haven't had the best of luck finding it. So I'm going to be doing this to help anyone else out that might be trying to do the same thing that I'm trying to do. So what I'm going to be doing with my pre-bug is swapping it to a horizontal minarelli. That's what I like. I have a bunch of them, so I went out and I bought this. This is the easyboost forward-facing mount. So we're gonna do a little unboxing of this and assembling. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So cleared out some space so I can do this for you guys. So again, here's the mount, and came in this rather beat up box. So hopefully everything is in there. Okay. That. Some nice hardware, and looks like it comes with 4 pieces, a bag of washer and nuts, and a bag of bolts, and the instructions. So let's open this up. Oh, this is from France. Big shout out to all the French boys out there doing their thing with the minarellis. So relatively simple. I'm just gonna go through it real quick and make sure let's put it together, guys. Alright, just tighten up this last one. Alright, you see it, guys. It's all together. Big chunk of metal. It's pretty heavy. The only thing I probably can say is line up all your bolts first. These washers that they sent me, they sent me you know, a couple different sizes, and I double checked. I went through all of them. I took it all apart again and I checked, and they were all the same size. So with that being said, I just have to go out and get 2 new bolts, or 2 new washers for both these sides, and that's it. So other than that, it's all done. You can see it. It's pretty cool, right? So now I can put the minarelli from the bottom out to the top. So let's get this frame up here and let's see how it looks. Just roughly put it in place. All right, guys, so we got the pre-bug frame on the table. These motor mounts on over here are already loose, so I'm just gonna pull them out. So we're gonna go to putting in this new motor mount. So let's see how it goes in. I'm assuming it goes in something like that. And yeah, see. Alrighty. Yeah, you guys see it. Very pretty. The only advice I can give you guys on this whole thing is just lay out your bolts, lay out your washers, make sure you have everything. No big deal. I'll get 2 new washers. This is a solid mount, so you're getting rid of all the spring stuff, and it's probably gonna ride a little bit different, or comfort wise, but it's gonna ride completely different. It has to. This material is coated. I don't know if it's galvanized or what it is, but I'm most likely gonna get this powder coated when I get the frame powder coated. So be on the lookout for that. Other than that, it's just excited, like super excited, super motivated. More parts keep coming in for this build. This thing's going a lot faster than I expected it to. My plans was to get it and put it on the back burner and probably let it take a couple of years to build. But the way this thing is just falling together, it's coming out pretty fast. So let's see what happens. Like I said, powder coat soon. Be on the lookout for more videos. If you guys like these pre-bug videos, you guys know what to do. Peace.